So I just want to start by introducing myself. So my name is Nancy Bryson and I am the Managing Director of Bryson Tractors, who are an agricultural dealership based in Lanark in central Scotland. So Bryson Tractors was started from nothing back in 2002 with a workforce of 5. And we have built up to having roughly just more than 20 employees now and a turnover of in the region of about £6 million. So what I want to start by doing is explaining what we actually do. So what is an agricultural dealership? So we are a franchise for selling tractors for a main manufacturer. So it's the same idea as a main car dealership would have a car franchise, but we also sell lots of other machinery for manufacturers. So we stock and sell a huge variety of equipment which will do lots of different jobs. So in total we probably promote products for more than 20 different manufacturers. And to look after these products, we have a sales department, a parts department, and also a service department. So the sales team advise customers on the most suitable product for their requirements, and they are based between a depot, but they will also go out and visit customers to help them make decisions to get the right machine for the job that they are doing. The parts department will sell spare parts for the machines that we sell, again also advising our customers on the right part for what they're trying to do. And the service department are responsible for repairing, servicing, and also doing maintenance on all of the machines that we sell. And a big part of what they'll do is also preparing the new machines that we're selling so they're ready to go out to their new owner. So we're not just for farmers. So this, again, although we're in the agricultural business, it's often thought that the land-based sector is purely for farming, whether it's farming the land for crops with animals, or farming water for fish, or even farming to improve the environment through organic and sustainable farming. But the sector that we work in is so much bigger than that. It's probably one of the most technologically advanced industries in the world, and the technology and the machines that we provide gets more and more advanced all the time. It's quite unbelievable. We have like GPS guided machines that will not only track where the machine is, but also the most fuel efficient method to complete a job, and they have sensors to monitor the quality of the crop that they're harvesting, and even autonomous tractors with no driver are already working out in fields. The tractors that we sell, we even have methane powered tractors where the methane that's used as a replacement for fuel is produced as a byproduct of farming. And obviously with COP26 on, it's quite topical at the moment, so it's helping towards a carbon negative operation for many of the farmers. And we even have robot mowers out for cutting grass, and the list of technologies that we have is increasing all the time. So we work in many different areas, you know, being based in central Scotland, probably like much of Scotland and also the rest of the UK. We have quite a diverse range of farming, and I wanted to share with you just the huge variety of fields that we work in, and also the diversity of the different types of work that we actually finish up doing. So roads and highway maintenance, as we travel around the country, for all of us, we like to see the countryside all nice and neat and tidy. So we provide tractors and specialist machines for cutting the grass verges, and also hedge cutting in the summer. Many of the motorway verges and bankings are cut by robot mowers now, which enables the grass on steeper bankings to be cut safely. And in the winter, we keep the roads clear by providing machines for snow clearing and also gritting, because obviously tractors quite often will be able to reach areas where perhaps a normal council gritter wouldn't get to. Now, many of us enjoy parks and open spaces, whether we live in the city or the town or out in the country. We, especially probably over the last few years, to be honest, we've enjoyed these spaces much more. And also on our doorstep, many of us will have large industrial sites. And even airports with green spaces, they all need to be maintained, and grass cutting is a huge part of this. So we supply all shapes and sizes of grass cutting mowers and tractors for this job, depending on what we're doing. Golf courses. Scotland is obviously the home of golf, and throughout the country we've got a huge number of golf courses, from private courses to the local authority ones that are run by the councils, and obviously the flagship courses like St Andrews, and even Donald Trump's got his golf courses in Scotland. So the fairways and greens need very specialist equipment to keep them playable all year round, or as much as possible anyway, with our fine Scottish weather. So it's a full-time job for the country's greenkeepers to keep these courses in a tip-top condition. And the range of machinery is very specialised to keep these courses maintained. So there can be mowers, rollers, and a huge variety of aeration equipment as well. So whatever your sport, whether it's tennis, rugby, football, whatever it may be, there's always a pitch to play on. So whether it's a grass pitch or an artificial 3G, 4G pitch, it still needs to be maintained. And like golf courses, the pitches need to be playable all year round. So equipment is needed for the grass cutting, again for aeration, to help the drainage, and if it's artificial, they need pitch grooming equipment as well for litter and leaf collection, and even line painting as well. Horse racing and equestrian pursuits are a huge industry within the UK, and there is a huge variety of facilities to complement the activities, from stables to training tracks, indoor and outdoor eventing, paddocks and menage, and also race courses. So we supply tractors and equipment for the maintenance for all of these. So mowers for grass cutting, and rollers for keeping the ground nice and flat, levelers and rakes for the menage surfaces as well. The construction industry within Scotland is huge, and machinery is used for lots of different things. Within the UK, we have large infrastructure projects that are ongoing all year through. In recent years, we've had the construction of the Queensferry crossing over Edinburgh, the Aberdeen bypass, and upgrades to the M8, just to name a few of them. HS2 down south is a major undertaking that will go on for the years to come. And all of these developments need machines to do the work. So whether it's for digging or for moving machinery around or hauling materials, we can supply machines for all of these different jobs. So it can be excavators, telehandlers, or tractors and trailers, whatever it happens to be. So from smaller projects closer to home, including house building, maybe extensions, maybe drains out on a farm field, shed building, road repairs and maintenance, quarrying, landscaping, even grave digging. The supply of these machines and the use of them is really endless. And yes, even whisky industry needs a tractor or two, whether it's for yard maintenance or trailers for moving barrels around. We help out for whatever they need. So as you can see, there is an enormous variety of customers with a huge range of machines that we sell and look after, and it offers a fantastic variety for each working day. There's never 2 days the same. One day we can be out on a farm, the next day maybe on a golf course, and then maybe head off to some horse stables, whether maintaining machines at a Premiership football club, fixing a tractor in a race course, and we've even serviced a tractor for a Love Island contestant. So lots of opportunities. So as I've already explained, we have 3 main areas within our dealership. The sales department offers a fantastic opportunity for enthusiastic, machinery-minded individuals. We provide first-class manufacturer training for all of the different products that we sell. And often this training will take place at the factories all over the world, giving the sales staff a knowledge that can be built up directly from seeing the actual production facilities, so the machines physically being built. So you'll get the chance to see everything starting from scratch to the whole machine being built right the way through to the end. So customer service and sales and selling skills training are also provided to help develop people on, and this helps our customers with their decision making. And as I've already explained, many of the industries we work in are very specialised, so the equipment and the technologies that are used in them have become much more advanced. So within the sales department, we need very highly trained individuals who are keen to learn all about the products. And the sales department is perfect for someone who is a people person. They need to have excellent communication skills, computer skills, obviously be enthusiastic and willing to learn, and you probably need a passport for some of those overseas trips as well. So the key skills we're looking for within the sales department for somebody starting is somebody who is good with English for communication, maths, and also their computer skills. And their personal qualities is a very important part of that as well, and probably just as important because they need to be very organised and able to work in their own initiative. Within the parts department, they take orders directly from customers, but also from our workshop, from the service department. So they'll deal directly with the manufacturers to place orders and to manage all of the stock that we have on the shelves. So they will control the amount of stock that we keep in our warehouse. And with all of the basically highly sophisticated machines that we sell and the diverse range of customers that we have to deal with, they have to be able to advise customers on how to solve the problems with their machines and the best solution for them. So we have a fully stocked shop offering, this is my shop in the picture here, offering hand tools, workwear, PPE like gloves and boots and things, and even down to consumables like nuts and bolts. We also sell electrical items like CBs, aerials, lighting for machines, beacons and things, and also pressure washers. At this time of year, we even have a toy selection to help Santa with his shopping too. So no 2 days are ever the same within the parts department. Having a service department, maybe helping the service department identify the parts for a gearbox, or advising customers on which bearings to use. There's a huge variety in what they might finish up doing. Within the parts department, we offer apprenticeships so that you can learn how you work, attending college on a block release programme, meaning that you can work while you are actually learning. So learning at the job while you can develop your skills further. The parts advisors that we take on need to be willing to learn and be very computer literate, because we have numerous systems for ordering and looking parts up for inquiries. Customer service skills need to be second to none and have to be very organised, and the key skills usually we'll be looking for would be English, maths, and obviously computer skills as well. Within the service department, the staff will service, maintain and repair all of the range of machines that we sell. So you might be preparing a £100,000 tractor for sale one day, maybe replacing chains in a dung spreader the next. So there's even perhaps setting up a guidance system on a £300,000 combine, or repairing a tractor out at a Premiership football club. I mean, the variety of jobs is enormous. So the service technicians receive fantastic training, and many will join us firstly on the work experience programmes through school. We will offer the manufacturers apprenticeships, where similar to the parts department, you would basically work while you're learning. So you would learn about the machines on the job while you develop your skills further being at college. The manufacturer apprenticeship means that you're learning at college on the actual machines that we do sell. So you have got the most up-to-date machines to be working on. You achieve your apprenticeship over 4 years to become a first level technician, and then you have the option to progress further on to becoming a professional level technician and on to becoming master technicians, and over the years I have a few staff who have come down that route where they've built on through us and become master technicians. So much of the manufacturer training is done at factories through the world, so again you would get an insight into the production of the actual machines that you would be repairing and maintaining. Key requirements for a technician are English, math and computer skills also, and generally we would look for a science, although it's not necessary. Some apprentices come to us from college, maybe having completed a full-time course, and then they're looking to develop their practical skills with us. So we do take people on in different ways and let them complete the next level of their apprenticeship with ourselves. So you would need to be an excellent communicator and be probably quite technically minded and be able to work on your own initiative. So in summary, we work in one of the most technological advanced industries where no 2 days are ever the same. The skills needed within our industry are increasing year on year, and the opportunities for career progression are fantastic. Joining the sector is a brilliant opportunity for someone who wants to learn and have a very varied work day where you're rewarded both professionally and personally. We have a great range of customers who they love their work, and their work has become their life over the years, and they truly appreciate the work that we do for them. So we have made many lifelong friends working in this industry, so it's a fantastic industry to work in.